GWP stands for Global Warming Potential, a term developed to measure the impact of different gases on the Earth's warming. It's a rating system that compares a specific gas's ability to absorb energy over time to that of carbon dioxide. For example, methane has a GWP of between 28 and 36. Low GWP, then, is an effort to utilize gases in various products that have lower GWP ratings and, in turn, have a lower potential to warm the Earth. Components in spray foam tanks need to be expelled with force so they can be applied to a surface as they mix. The gas used in spray foam kits that are not low GWP has a rating of 1,430. Now, in Foamit Green's low GWP formula, this rating has dropped to under 10. Ready to learn more? Contact Foamit Green today.